Hello and welcome to another video from How to Webmaster YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how much my website makes with 1000 views from Google Adsense. The content is related to webmastering, WordPress, search engine optimization, and internet marketing. So here's the website. So my website doesn't get a whole lot of traffic, but for 1000 views, let me zoom in a little bit right here. How to Webmaster page views with just 312 page views and 1000 impressions, ad impressions, more or less. I make about $5 per 1000 ad impressions with 9 clicks. With 1000 website page views right here, I make about close to $11 and about 2,800 ad impressions with a rate per 1000 ad views about $10. Alright, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below what other stats you want to see, and be sure to subscribe for more of my future earning videos on YouTube and on my website. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.